In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block on Vagaro. Navigating the modern landscape of appointment booking and client management can sometimes feel like walking through a maze. One particularly nifty feature that professionals across industries find invaluable is the ability to block time slots. This can be essential for managing personal tasks, ensuring you're not double booked, or simply giving yourself that much needed breather. Today we'll specifically dive into how to utilize this feature within Vagaro, a popular platform for managing appointments and client relationships. First things first, let's get you logged in. Head over to the Vagaro website. You'll notice in the top right corner of the home page, there's a login button waiting for your click. Give it a click and you'll be prompted with a few options for logging in. For ease and security, we recommend using the Login with Google option. It's quick and uses an account you likely already have set up. Upon selecting Login with Google, you will be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one associated with your Vagaro account to proceed. Once logged in, you're going to want to access the business side of things. Look for the Go to My Business button. This will take you straight to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now it's time to navigate to your calendar. You'll find a link to your calendar either in the dashboard or via a direct URL provided. Don't worry. Vagaro makes it easy to get there with clear navigation options. Once you're looking at your calendar, the next step is to select an empty time slot. This is where you're going to block that precious time, be it for a personal task, a break, or any non-client booking reason. This feature ensures no one can book you during this time. After selecting your empty time slot, you'll see an option to add a personal task. This is essentially what you'll be classifying this blocked time as. It reflects on your calendar, but not publicly. So it's for your eyes or for those managing the calendar within your business. Here comes the fun part, adding a task name. It could be anything from lunch break, admin work, to mental health hour. This is just for you, so make it something that will remind you at a glance what this time is set aside for. The next step is crucial for ensuring this time remains yours and yours alone. Clicking on Block Online Booking. This tells the system that no external bookings can be made for this time slot. It's a safeguard, making sure clients or customers can't book an appointment during this time through your online booking system. After you've marked it as a blocked time slot, you might want to add a comment. This can be for internal use, perhaps to remind yourself of the task specifics or to communicate with team members. This step isn't mandatory but can be helpful for clarity and organization. Now it's time to add the time slot details. Specify the start and end time for your block. The flexibility here is great. You can block out as little as 15 minutes or as much as an entire day. It's all about what you need. You'll also be given the option to make this block recurring. This is incredibly useful for regular personal commitments or consistent breaks like lunchtimes. Selecting this will save you time in the future, automating the block for your chosen recurrence pattern. Finally, seal the deal by clicking on Book. Despite being a personal task and not an external booking, this action confirms your block, making it official on your calendar, and voila, that's it. You've successfully blocked off time on your Vagaro calendar. This simple yet powerful tool in Vagaro empowers you to control your schedule, ensuring you have the time needed for the various aspects of your professional and personal life. Whether you're managing a bustling salon, a fitness studio, or any service-based business, mastering this feature will elevate your time management and personal well-being. Remember, the beauty of Vagaro is in how it streamlines your business operations while also respecting your personal boundaries. Now that you know how to block time for personal tasks, you can ensure a healthier balance between work and life, improve your service efficiency, and enhance overall satisfaction for you and for your clients. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to maximizing your productivity and peace of mind, one blocked time slot at a time.